Hey gamers, are you stuck between choosing the Odin 2 or the Steam Deck? So today we are comparing both of these devices to help you decide which one suits you the best. So without further delay, let's jump right in. First up, the design. The Odin 2 is lightweight, sleek, and super portable, making it perfect for on-the-go gaming. On the other hand, the Steam Deck is bulkier but feels more like a premium handheld PC that is ideal for those who want the full desktop experience in their hands. Now let's talk about the performance. So the Odin 2 shines when it comes to playing the emulated games and Android applications, offering a smooth, responsive experience. But if you are after the AAA PC games, the Steam Deck is in a league of its own, with powerful specs that can handle more demanding titles. Now let's talk about the battery life, which is the another key factor. So the Odin 2 gives you a solid 7 to 9 hours of the casual gaming, while the Steam Deck usually lasts around 4 to 6 hours. So depending on what you are playing, more battery life but less power, that's a choice you will need to make. And finally, there is pricing. So the Odin 2 is more budget friendly, making it attractive for those who don't want to break the bank. But if you are willing to spend more for PC level performance, the Steam Deck might be worth the investment. So, which one is better? It really comes down to what you need, portability and affordability with the Odin 2 or the performance and power with the Steam Deck. So, let's know which one pick. So, let us know which one do you pick in the comment section below, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab yours on Amazon. Thanks for watching.